Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
So my question is the ruling on deciding the Imam Fard during a congregation? Because in my school, during Dhuhr prayer, the people who teach Islamic, they just choose randomly a student from people who are coming to pray, regardless of seeing their knowledge in Quran or their knowledge in prayer. So should I follow that rule or should I try it on?
The one in authority, Ayan, in your school is the headmaster. So he's the one who's supposed to lead the prayer. If he delegates this power or authority, if he delegates it to the teachers, then one of the teachers should lead the prayer. If the teacher delegates this to any of the students he chooses, you should pray behind him without any objection.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
So, Sheikh, I'm going through overthinking for some days, and I have a question regarding this. That means a doubt that you said that promoting those who promote their business with women, their income is haram. So now, Sheikh,
I did not say that. Again, I said it is haram to promote your halal business by posting pictures of women or using music. It is haram. Is the whole income haram? No, it's not. I'm selling mugs. Selling mugs is halal. People drink coffee, green tea like I do every time. And it's nice design. So it's halal business. Selling is halal. But if I use in an advert a woman drinking green tea, or if I put some music in the background, does this mean my income from selling this is haram? No, it's not. Partially it is. Part of the income that's generated through such ads might be haram, but the entire business is halal. So again, I get this all the time. Sheikh, you said this and that. The problem is not in what I've said. The problem in what you've understood. And so gazillion times, 99.99%, when I correct people and I tell them, please go back and listen to it again, they come, oh, my bad, I'm sorry. But you've already done the harm. The harm is already done. You've already shot people and killed people and accused people of this and that, not due to what they've said or done, rather to your own understanding. So I hope this clarifies this, Vishal.